Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Wix versus Squarespace in 2025 and figure out which website builder is really worth your money. Let's get into it. Wix is known for its flexibility. It has hundreds of templates, and drag and drop editor, and an app marketplace with tons of add-ons. It's great if you want full creative control and need features like online stores, booking systems, or blogs. The trade-off is that it can feel overwhelming if you just want something simple. Squarespace, on the other hand, is focused on design and ease of use. It offers sleek, professional templates that look great right off the box. It's especially strong for creatives, portfolios, and small businesses that value aesthetics. While it has fewer customization options than Wix, it makes building a clean, polished site much faster. So, if you want maximum flexibility and more features, Wix is the better choice. But if you want simplicity and stunning design with less effort, Squarespace is the smarter pick. Thanks for watching this comparison, and I'll see you in the next one.